See, question number 23. This is a conceptual question. A little bit time it takes. This type of question already we have done. Okay, not in 2024, but old. I think 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, I can't say. From 19 to 23, I have done one question. Let A is equal to set. Okay, why? Because brace shows set. N belongs to, for val values of n belongs to 100 to 700 closed interval. 100 also you have to take, 700 also you have to take, in between all you have to take. But one condition is there. N is neither a multiple of 3 nor a multiple of 4. That means see, that should not be divisible by 3 or 4. And what is the number of elements in this set N? Like that asking. A. Like that they are asking. See here one logic I want to tell. If this multiple of 3 or multiple of 4 condition is not there, how many elements are there in the set A? If no condition, number of elements in set A implies I am talking about. Okay, see, first term is A is equal to 100. Okay, if any condition is not there means D will be 1. Last term is 700. Pn is equal to 700. Okay, see, what is that number? That number I will tell. 700 is equal to A plus n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into d. D is 1. Okay, that means see, 600 by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 601. See, without any condition, total 601 numbers are there. That means n is 600, 601. We can say 601. But some condition is there. In this, we have to omit which are multiple by 3, which are multiple by 4. Then you have to tell that number. Let me see. Multiple of 3, how I am finding? Observe carefully. See, if number is multiple of 3 implies, you see, what are those numbers multiple of 3? See, total should be 3. That means see, minimum 102 you have to start. Why? Because see, 100 is not divisible by 3, 101 is also not divisible by 3. 102 is divisible by 3. Why? Because 102, 1 plus 0 plus 2, 3. Afterwards 105, afterwards 108, afterwards 111. Like that it goes. But what about last number? 700 is not divisible by 3. 699, yes, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 3. 699 is also divisible by 3. Okay, actually this is the, what we can say. These are the numbers. But how many numbers are there? How you are going to find these numbers? A is equal to 102, D is equal to 3, and Tn is equal to 699. Then you find n. How I am finding? 699 is equal to 102 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 3. Okay. 699 minus 102 by 3 plus 1 is equal to n. Okay, 699, 102, 795, 597 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3, 29, 3 nines, 27, 2, 27, 3 nines, 199, 199 plus 1, 200. Okay, I am boxing this. 601 I have boxed. Okay, now I can say from 100 to 700, which are divisible by 3 or multiple of 3 or 200 numbers are there. See, if this multiple of 4 condition is not there, then what are the numbers means directly 601 minus 200, 401 will be your answer. Okay, but answer is 300 because again we have to go for multiple of 4 also in the same manner. Let me go for multiple of 4. I am going now. Okay, if number is multiple of 4, if number is multiple of 4 implies, you see how I am doing this. 100 is multiple of 4 only. Okay, definitely. Afterwards 104. Afterwards 108. Afterwards 112. 700, yes, 700 also multiple of 4. Okay. 4 ones 30, 4 sevens 28, again 24 5s. Okay, 700. Now, how many numbers? How can you find? I am finding, you see. Here A will be 100, D will be 4, last term Tn will be 700. Then how you are going to find this number? 700 is equal to A 100 plus n minus 1 into D is 4. Okay? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now see 100 you subtract 700 minus 100 by 4 plus 1 is equal to n. Okay, write down 600 by 4 plus 1, that is equal to 151. 151 is equal to n. Okay, now multiple of 3 is this much, multiple of 4 is this much. These two we should not take. Okay, then can we say the answer is 601 minus 200 plus 151. Okay, this is going to become 351. 601 minus 351. So what will happen? 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 150. Is it correct? No. Why? Because see, whenever we see multiple of 3 and multiple of 4, some numbers are going to repeat multiple of 3 in 4 also. Why? Because best example is your 108. 108. That means 108 2 times it has come. That is why here it has become 151. If you remove this 108 like number, then this number is going to reduce. Understand? That is why what you have to do, see another set you have to make. Repeated numbers, what I am writing, observe carefully. Repeated numbers, what are those repeated numbers? Repeated numbers is equal to 108 from onwards it will start. Why? Because see 102, 105 are not there. 108. Next number where? LCM of these two. 3 into 4, 12. 108 plus 12, 120. Before 120 any number is there? No, it will not be. Why? Because I am telling you, see here 3. That means 114, 117, 120. Okay, here also 4, 116, 120. Understand? After 108, before 120, there is no other number which are repeating in both. That means see 108 first number, afterwards plus 12 we have to take, 120 plus 12, like that it goes. Why? Because see 3 into 4 is 12. Here is 3, here is 4. Okay? How many numbers? Let us see. 120 afterwards 12 means 132. Afterwards, last number how we are going to find? 700 is not going to, what we can say, divided by 12. Why? Because see these are multiples of 12. See how I am doing. 700 you divide, last number is 700, you divided with 12. Okay? 12 6s are 72. 12 5s are 60. 100. 12 8s are 96. That means if 4 you subtract. If you subtract 4, 696. Okay? Okay. 12 5s are 60. 96. 4 12 8s are, yes, then 12 8s are 96. Okay, 696. That means last number will be 696. Okay, last number is very important for us. Why? Because see, what we can say, we have to calculate this n also. Now we calculate that n. See, for third one, A will be 108, D will be 12, and Tn will be 696. Then what about n here? not n. Directly we can write 696 is equal to a 108 plus n minus 1 into d. d is 12. Then how can you write n? n is equal to, see first you subtract 696 minus 108 divided by 12 plus 1. Okay? Let us do 696 minus 108. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 will come here. Okay, then 5. 588. 588 by 12. Okay, 12 fours are 48. Then 108. 12 nines are 108. That means if 49 plus 1, 50. N will be 50. Okay, that means you see total 50 numbers have been repeated in both. That means those 50 you have to remove. Why? Because see, only once you have to take. These 50 numbers if you remove, then your answer is going to get correct. Then what you have to do? I have to do like this. You see, total 601 minus 200 plus 151 minus 50. Okay, this will be your answer. Why? Because if from this repeated 50 numbers I am subtracting. 351 minus 50, 300. 351 minus 50, 301. 601 minus 301, that is equal to 300. 300 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.